Good evening, my dear student. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Answer. So, welcome in my today video. This is the chapter number 4, structure of the atom, and the class of chemistry of class 9. The today topic is all about the atomic number and mass number. First, we have to discuss the atomic number. So, atoms of different elements have different number of protons in its nucleus or in their nuclei. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called its atomic number or is called the atomic number. It is usually denoted by Z as the number of protons. As the number of protons is equal to the nuclear charge, the atomic number of an element is equal to the number of nuclear charge. Both are the same. As the atomic number of an element is equal to the number of nuclear charge, they are also equal to the nuclear charge of atomic number of an element. So you can say the atomic number is also called the proton number. The formula is here. The atomic number, which is denoted by Z, the number of protons equal to number of protons, and this is equal to the number of nuclear charges. For example, let us take a simple example here. The atom of the simplest element like hydrogen, helium, etc. contains one proton in its nucleus. Therefore, the atomic number is said to be 1 only. But as the number of protons in the nuclei of the atoms of different elements increases, they are going to increase, then the atomic number also increases. So thus the atomic number of sodium, magnesium and aluminum are 11, 12 and 13 respectively. Similarly, you can say the atomic mass of chlorine. The atomic mass of chlorine is 17 because an atom of chlorine contains 17 protons in its nucleus, so there is related with the atomic mass. So this is all about the atomic number. Let us discuss the mass number. What is mass number? The mass, you can say the weight or the volume, you can say. This can describe about the weight of an element, or you can say the volume of a substance. So you can just understand it in a simple and easy step. First of all, we have to understand about the mass number. What is mass number, or how can you define the mass number in the simplest way? In the simplest way of definition, how can you define the mass number? So let us begin. Let us begin the mass number in the simple and easy stage. So let us start the mass number. The mass of an atom of an element. So the thing is that the mass number. The mass number the mass of an atom of an element. The mass of an atom of an element is due to the mass contributed by the mass contributed by the protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of the atom. The mass of an electron is considered to the mass of an electron is considered to be negligible negligible. The mass of an atom is represented by the mass of an atom is represented by mass number. And you can say that the mass of the atom is represented by mass number. The mass number is defined as the mass number is defined as the sum of the number of protons, the sum of the numbers of protons and neutrons, of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of the atom, in the nucleus of the atom. It is denoted by A. Thus, mass number equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Number of protons plus number of neutrons. That is atomic number plus number of neutrons of neutrons. That is A is equal to Z plus N, or N is equal to A minus Z. These are the two formulas by which we can identify the mass number. For example, that is number of neutron is equal to, that is number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number minus atomic number. That you can see. Let us take the brief example here. For example, the number of hydrogen in one. The mass number of hydrogen is, the mass number of hydrogen is 1, because the nucleus of the hydrogen, because the nucleus of the hydrogen, atoms contain only one proton and does not contain any neutron. Similarly, the mass number of lithium is 3 protons and 4 neutrons. neutrons. So these are the things. These are the things you have to be just keeping in mind. So let us start here. So the mass number. The mass of an atom. The mass of an atom of an element is due to the mass contributed by the protons and neutrons. So the mass of an atom of an element is due to the mass contributed by the protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of the atom. The mass of an electron is considered to be negligible. The mass of an atom is represented by mass number. So the mass number is defined as the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of the atom. It is denoted by A. The sum of protons and neutrons is called the mass number. So the mass number is equal to number of protons by number of neutrons, atomic number plus number of neutrons. That is A is equal to Z plus N, or N is equal to A minus Z. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. So for example, the mass number of hydrogen is 1, because the nucleus of the hydrogen atoms contain only one proton and does not contain any neutron. Similarly, the mass number of lithium is 7, because the nucleus of the lithium atoms contains 3 protons and 4 neutrons. Is equal to 7. So these are the things about the mass number. Let us understand few things more. Let us understand few things more about the atomic number and mass number. Just we are going to conclude the topic, and after all, just write here just few. The composition of the first 20 element according to the mass number, atomic number, number of protons and number of electrons is just I am going to give you. So let us understand it in a simple and easy state. This is also important for you students, for the future and for the present also, because in class 10 you have to be just keep this thing in your mind. So let us, why not right now. The composition of the atom of the atoms of first 20 elements hydrogen to calcium in terms of number of electrons, of number of electrons, protons and neutrons. Protons and let us look out these things in a clear concept, in the easiest steps. So let us do it. So the first is element. In the first table you write the element. After that you write the atomic number, that is denoted by Z. After that you write mass number, that is denoted by A. After that you denoted the number of protons, I am writing here as a symbol, number of protons A. After that you have to write number of neutrons, is equal to N A minus Z, and lastly number of electrons is equal to Z. number of electrons equal to J. These are the table you have to be prepared, and after that we start the first is the hydrogen, second is helium, third is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, krypton and calcium. Let us start with the hydrogen. I am giving the symbol here, easy to understand. You don't need, but if you want, then you can do also in your copy. So atomic number is 1, 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Up to neon, this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Atomic number is 20 up to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After that you can write the mass number. After that you can write the mass number. Mass number of hydrogen is 1. Mass number of helium is 4. Mass number of lithium is 7. Beryllium 9, 11, 12, 9, 11, 12, 14, 16, 19, 20, 14, 16, 19 and 20. 20 of neon. 23, 24, 27, 23, 24, 27 of aluminum, 28 silicon, 31 phosphorus, sulfur 32, chlorine 35, 35, argon 40, 39, 40, 39, 40. Our number of protons. Number of protons are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So these are the number of protons. Number of neutrons. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6 boron, carbon 6, 6 boron, carbon 6. After that, nitrogen. Nitrogen 7, oxygen 8. Nitrogen 7, oxygen 8. Fluorine 10, neon 10. Fluorine 10, neon 10. Sodium 11. Magnesium 12. Aluminum 13. Silicon 14. Phosphorus 15. Sorry. After neon, there is a mistake. Neon 12. Magnesium. Okay. 12 magnesium. Aluminum 14. aluminum 14, silicon 14, that is 16, phosphorus 16, sulfur 16, chlorine 18, argon 22, and sodium and potassium, that 20. After that, the number of electrons 1 to 10 the same. 1, 11, 12, 13. The number of electrons are also the same. So my dear students, let us look here. Hydrogen 1, atomic number denoted by Z, mass number denoted by A, number of proton is also A. Number of protons is equal to Z is equal to Z. Number of neutrons is equal to N A minus Z. Number of electrons is equal to Z. Hydrogen 1, 1, 0, 1. So the table you are atomic number is 1, mass number is 1 of hydrogen, number of proton is equal to 1, and the number of neutrons 0, number of electrons is equal to 1. Helium 2, atomic number 4, mass number, protons 2, number of neutrons 2, electron 1. 3, 7, 3, 5, 3. 7, 9, 4, 5 and 4. So these are the things I have given you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same thing I am going to mark here. According to this, you have to be understand it in a clear way, in the clear concept. This is very easy to understand. So you have to be just write in your copy. Write in your copy for your convenience. Make it easy. Draw in your copy, and you should always remember and keep in your mind that what is the atomic number, what is the mass number. For your molecular mass calculation, for your atomic mass calculation is very important, and you have to remember it in an easy state. So you can see the number of electrons are the same, 1 to 20. Atomic number are the same. Mass number 1, 4, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, 16, 19, 20, 23, 24, 27, 28, 31, 32, 35, 40, 39, 40. Mass number of hydrogen to calcium. Protons number are the number of protons also same, 1, 2, 3. Atomic number are the same, number of proton are also same up to the configuration of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. And the number of electrons are the same. All the three are the equivalent always. But the variation in the mass number, the mass number of hydrogen is 1, number of neutron is 0, mass number is 4, number of neutron is 2, mass number is 7, number of neutron is 4. For what? Lithium. Mass number beryllium 9, number of proton number of neutron is equal to 5, 11, 6, 12, 6, 14, 7, 16, 8, 19, 10, 20, 10, 23, 11, and 24, 12, 27, 14, 28, 14, 31, 16, 32, 16, 35, 18, 40, 22, 39, 20, and 40, 20. So the mass number and number of neutron should be vary, but the number, atomic number, number of protons and the number of electrons will always be same in electronic configuration. So this is all about the today class. Thank you for watching my video. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel. Chemistry wala Anand sir. Give more views, like and share. Also subscribe my channel and come to join my channel to learn the chemistry in the easy and communicative stage. Thank you all of you. Take care. Good night.